everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. So today's project is super quick, and the reason it's super quick is it's a preview project. It's actually one of my projects that will be part of the 12 of my upcoming class that will take place. It's an online class and it'll take place in May. Yes, May. Sometimes I feel, do you ever feel like this? I don't know what month it is, especially when you work from home and I don't write. Well, we don't write the date. I'm kind of old. So back in the day when we at least wrote checks, or I had an office job and sometimes I typed the date, but sometimes I'm like, I don't even know what day it is. But it goes with the annual catalog. So I have been doing preview week. I have so much stuff I haven't gotten a chance to use. I'm trying to get to it, but my catalogs arrived today, so I'm going to start mailing those out. So if you're my customer and you bought from me in March, yours will go out tomorrow. So that's going to interrupt my playtime. I have my taxes to get done. I have my niece's shower coming up. I have card club that will go out next week. And then the following week, I have my in-person stamp camp. So we'll go back to the January to June mini catalog. I have like a convergence of things. So this week I've been trying to concentrate on some preview things just because I know we're excited and I know that you kind of like to see what's in here before you see what's in here. So let me show you a couple of things that I've done already in case you didn't catch all the tutorials. So this is a Sweet Songbird. It's a punch bundle. These tutorials are all up so you can go catch them if you've missed them. I love this. It's one of the cutest punches I think that we've had for a while because she's just happy. She's a happy little stamp. She's a happy little punch. And this has stuff that doesn't go together. But you know, I had it and it was on the desk. So I mushed it together and it works. So you could see it all, but new in colors, ribbon, some new jewels that are not in color, and some new paper that's actually this paper here. So you can kind of see it. So on this card, it looks pretty elegant. It's part of the suite. Here I kind of just jazzed it up a little bit, and then a new die frame set. That again is not part of that suite, but that's up. Then this has some really pretty new designer series paper. It's a new bundle. It also has some new in color ribbon. That's up. And then this is the one I did yesterday, which was an alternate project because I had to get that up for my club girls. So it's their club packet. It's actually the tulip paper and the tulip dies. And then another new punch and some new domes, which is a little message in a bottle. And then I did do the new in colors. So you can see them on here where they kind of line up and fit in with the colors we have now. So if you want to see those, they're up. So if you are my customer, your catalogs will go out in just the next couple of days. Some will go out tomorrow. Club ones will go out next week. And then the rest of you will get them the following week. After my niece's shower, which is Easter weekend, because you know my family likes to throw it all on one weekend. So these are coming. So my try it class, what is that? Well, if those of you that have done it in the past, you may have them stored because they all come with a book. So it's a PDF booklet. This is January to June 2021. So I've been doing them for a while. They do fill up. Because there is a limit to what my husband will help me cut because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of paper. It's a lot of ribbon. Every card will have new papers and then as much new ribbon as we can get. And sometimes now supply chain issues can be an issue, but everyone will be based on new papers. And then we'll put new ribbon, new embellishments. They'll maybe have a new punch. They may have a new die cut. They may have a new folder. You will not need any stamps. You do not need a die cut machine. And then you can see here on the thing, if I hit this little YouTube play button, it would take you to the playlist for all of the cards that we did on this one. And it says start your video playlist here. But then they're all designed with a template. So you have the measurements, you have the instructions, you have the photos, and this is old. This was a celebration year. So you'll have this that you can keep. So not only do you have the patterns for whatever we did on this one this year, but you can go back and you can use this template and create with whatever we did. Let's go back. So that's June. This is July to December 2021. I don't think that I downloaded the last, I like where do not skip step one, which must mean you needed to cut the paper. So you can see they're super fun. Some of them are pretty simple, like the card I'm going to show you today. This may have been the preview card for that one. Do not skip step one. But they're super fun. This one has a new embellishment, a new ribbon, lots of new papers, and then the snowflakes that were in there. So you get this as part, then because I'm video based, this is the only class that I do where you get this detailed of a PDF. My retreats, you get a picture and measurements, and then very rarely do you get anything else in print because I'm a video girl. But then what we do in the class, and you'll get it in May. Obviously, I can't order everything until the catalog goes live. By then, I have a lot of the cards designed, but not all of them because, again, I can't order this stuff for what we've been allowed to pre-order. And I got all the paper. So if you saw my catalog or my unboxing, that's what I have to work with. So the rest of the cards, I can't even design them until May. So my goal is, my family goes on vacation the first week in June. So my goal is to get it out like that third week of May. So I'll have it designed. So you have to have signed up. I'll open registration when this video is up. Registration will be open. So you have that amount of time, and then I get it. We design the class. You get it mailed out. And then each video will have not only the PDF, but like I said, the video. And then I show you every sheet of paper and we walk through the catalog together. I show you what dies may cut things out. Like we go over every new suite and all the new papers. So this one, I don't even know the name of it because I can't show you the inside of the catalog, but we will redo it in the class, which is always fun for my walkthrough because I'm going to show you one design and then I'm going to show you a second design and then you'll get a third design. So in this one, you'll get 3 pictures. So I think it may be called, I don't know, there's a couple of me. It may be that he's all that. But because it doesn't have stamps, you can add sentiments later. But I'll walk you through all of the pieces. And this one is kind of designed around the barbecue. It has great men's. It's obviously a masculine set. And what I really, really like about this is there's punch outs. It's kind of circa early 2000s with Stampin' Up. And then when you get your packet, everything is stacked up. It's super easy to walk through. So this would be the packet for this one. And then, like I said, because of the way Stampin' Up does our papers, everybody's card may be a little bit different. So this one, this person would have this. And then because of the punch outs, this one has this, which is a totally different design than my other one. Because if you didn't see my walkthrough video, I just laid all that stuff, way to go, Sherry, on top of what I laid those on top. So see, it has these punch outs. Obviously, I can't buy 75 packages so everybody gets the same one of these. That's why everybody's will be a little bit different. And now I'll have 3 to show you because I'll have the one, and then I'll have this one, and then when I do the next one, I'll have another one. So you'll get a punch out. Everybody's will be a little bit different, but they're all super cute. Nobody's going to get just a star or just a corner. So I'll make it work so everybody's looks great. Nobody's going to get these giant ones because they don't work for the design that I made. But we'll kind of walk through them and see some of the features of them when we do the try it, because that's part of what we do. So for this card, we're going to do a pocket pullout. So I'm going to put this in here. Let's score it. Remember, when you score, you need your light blade. So 5.5, which is to score this in half. This is a half a sheet of early espresso. So I'm going to score that in half, and then I'm going to slide this up and score this at 1 1/4. And this is the stuff then that would all be in your measurements. So you can put your things along together with me, the video, and just kind of pause and start if you've not done one of my online classes before, or you can watch them all and take notes on your PDF. Some people get them printed out. So fold this in half. This is my free gift with purchase if you purchase from my online store this month. My husband punches the holes in the bone folders, and one of my best friends makes the cute little charm. So now we have this little pocket here. So we have this, and then, pick it up. So this is 3 by 1, and there's 4 of these. So you'd want to lay this kind of together and then decide how you want to piece it. Now you could put them all here if you want and just put a little bit of space in between and have a broken up design, or you could just flip one. Like you could do this and just flip one, which would be kind of cute. You could do every other, which is what I did on my other one. And I'm going to make sure that no matter what you get, that this mat coordinates with your bottoms, because these pieces on the punch outs kind of go along with the different papers. So I think I'm going to do this. So I'm going to start with the outside. This side's cute too. You could just do, if you don't have a camper in your family, then you can just do the plaid. And then I'm going to go to the other edge. All those dimensional things end up everywhere. There's no dimensional on this card. Put this one over here. And it's going to give just a little bit of space, but I'm going to try to line this design up right here because this one kind of matches. And this one I'm going to do upside down. So we have one that's kind of plaid in between them all. And I'm just going to tape this down just like that. And then as I am out of seal and Stampin' Up's out of refill, that's why I'm using this archaic thing from the past. The new one is a little bit thinner, and you can also use some fine tip glue if you want. I'm just going to put as little as I can right along the edge just to kind of keep this closed. And it doesn't have to be closed all the way because we're going to use some twine around it. So pop that down on there. And then this would already be cut to the length that you need it, but you know, I don't have a packet. When I do the class with you, then I'm actually working from a packet. So I'm using exactly what you have. So wrap that around here twice. So yours would be cut to the right length, and we're just going to do a knot. And the reason I'm using this, like I like to use new ribbon as much as we can. I don't have anything new, and I didn't look in the catalog because I got too much to do. I'm gonna try to get my club projects done today so I can figure out what we're doing. And then I'm gonna start shipping catalogs. So looking in a catalog, I don't know if you're like me and you get squirreled, where you just get distracted by all the pretty things. But the twine to me is a great masculine, and it goes really well with this camping stuff. And right now, the only new ribbon that we have is all the sparkle things that I've been putting on the last couple of cards that I've made. So, you know, that didn't really go with this. Now this will just slide right in here. And then obviously if you had a stamp, if you have the stamp set that goes with this, like if it's going to be something you're going to order, then just wait till you get it and then you can add it. Sometimes in the class I will at the very end, and often not in the PDF, but in the end, sometimes in class I will add that so you can see what it looks like. But you're just going to take whatever little sticker you have. Oh, they're not stickers. Little die cut you have, and add that right there. So it makes it obvious then that that's a pullout. And then you will have your 3 little rustic metallic adhesive based back dots. And I'm going to put these over here. No, I'm going to put them here. It's not exactly where I put them because, you know, the beauty of me getting to do 2 things, because I've made one and then I get to do another. So sometimes even in this class, if there's a way to kind of switch it up, I will. And then that way you can see which way you like best. So here would be your first project, and they're super simple. They're really easy to do. And the reason I call it a try it class is because I know a lot of people do paper shares or ribbon shares, and you get whole packs of cut up paper. And then 3 years from now, you still have lots of half of packs of cut up papers, and you've never done anything with them. I like to give you everything and let you try it. So this way you've seen the metallic dots, you've seen the paper, you've seen a die cut, and then you've seen it all in the video so you can tell if that's a suite that you like. So here's the other one. And this one says, you're flippin' awesome. So it's the same card, same fold. And the fun thing about this is if you like this fold, you can take it. I'm drawing complete blank on anything else that's in the catalog because I haven't really played much with the paper. But you could do it, say, with the tulips, because if you want to know the truth, they're doing something very similar in card class this month in Card Club with the tulips. That's where this fold has come from. But you can, Like you can take this layout and you can pop open all of your Try It. Some of the gals have done the Try It class with me from the very beginning. So they have all of the books from all of the times that we've done it. And if you're ever stuck for a layout, you can just go back and flip through and you're like, oh, I really like that layout. This would be really fun. You know, if you have a friend that likes to read, make her birthday card like this. And then she also has a fun little bookmark that she can do. We've done a couple of different bookmark versions. So like I said, by the time I post this, registration will have opened. Another fun perk is if you're a part of my team and you sign up under me, this is a free class. So most all of my video classes are always free for my team, but this is the one that if they do it together via Zoom, then we all get together on the same night. I send in the packet and we put it together. And it's a free class, so they don't pay anything for it. So that's one of the perks of doing it. So I really wanted to use, after I pulled this one and I saw that it said you're flipping awesome. This is my favorite. I have two favorites. I really like this one that says holy smokes, you're the best. I like that one. And I like that you make me happy. That's cute too. So there's some really, really cute little sayings on this. The thing, and this would be something I would tell you in the Try It class, is sometimes like you would like these, but you don't necessarily need a whole stamp set. So depending, like, you know, if you just don't have a lot of guys that you give cards to, this is a perfect fill-in because you have enough cute sayings that you don't have to buy the whole stamp set. Buy the paper, and you have these. You can punch them all out, put them in one of the plastic stamp sets, and they don't get damaged. And then you have enough that for a couple of years you can pull these out and use them, and you didn't have to invest in the stamp set. For others of us, you know, we have a lot of 20-something, 30-something year old guys in our lives, and we could use the heck out of that stamp set. So it just kind of depends. You know, we go through different seasons in our lives where there's different needs that we have for stamp sets. But this is perfect. Or if you scrapbook, perfect. If you have a lot of that age group in your life. So there you go. The link to register for the class, always in my email. And if you're watching this on YouTube, the link will be down underneath the video. So just scroll down underneath the video and click in that part where it opens up all the words, and the link will be in there. Have a great day. I'll catch you back here later. Bye.